Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase part of an image in Canva. So let's begin first to make sure that you are connected with the internet. So first of all, right click on the image, then click on edit photo. Here, first of all, you need to remove this image background. Here you need to select erase, then erase that specific object. For example, I want to erase this object from this image, so I erase this object. After complete, click on share, click on done, and here click on, if you want to save this image, click on share, then click on download and JPG, select JPG and click on download, and in this way you can also erase part of an image in Canva. I hope this was helpful for you. If so, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.